So I saw this thing on Facebook, YouTube. Man, this camera is all messy. So I saw this thing on Facebook, YouTube. Summer, hold on. So I'm back. I saw this thing on Facebook or YouTube. I don't remember where I saw it. That they're using a 3D printed 3D printed thingamabob, okay, filament, and they're putting it on. Man, there's a light right there, and they're putting it on T-shirts or fabric or whatever. And I was thinking that there's no way that can work, but not and it not. Oh man, this thing not fast enough. So not in the way you think it's not gonna work. I'm thinking it's won't stay on the fabric long enough, or just won't adhere well, or whatever you want to come up with. Okay. So what I'm gonna do. So what I'm doing. So what I'm actually doing is I'm gonna do this and this on a piece of fabric, and I want to see if which one, how well they adhere, and if it's even worth even attempt it. For people who have a 3D printer and you want to see if it makes sense to even try something like this, well, we're gonna try for us who have a 3D printer and a DTF printer, and I want to see if it even makes sense. Even I mean, obviously, it don't make sense if you have a DTF printer. Don't do it. Just use a DTF prints and you'll get the stuff anyways. But it's supposed to give it an effect, like a 3D raised effect on the fabric thingamabob. Like I said, I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens. What's the worst that can happen, right? So I'm gonna try it. I have them right there, both of them on the press. So this is a 3D print, and then that's obviously DTF 3D. I mean, you can't get no more obvious than that. All right, so I'm gonna press them, and I'm gonna see if this actually adheres well enough to last even remotely long. I remember just going to like cut this piece out and then throw them in the washer. I'm gonna see if it even how well it holds up in the wash too. Also, I know this will last, but I don't know how long that one will last. All right, so that's what we're really testing: how long this will last, or if it's even worth doing anything like this. If somebody has a 3D printer and they want to just do something like this, and hopefully it stays on their clothes, garment, whatever. So I'm gonna test it because I've seen it. I just want to try it. This is just straight up just curiosity. Has nothing to do with anything else. All the stuff I just said is all garbage. I'm just curious to see how well this works. Just letting you know. All right. So here I go and press it down. There we go. Pressing it. Timer counting down and everything. Man, I've done that much pressing on this thing already, okay? So I've been pressing the press out of this thing. All right, and honestly, I can't complain. It's been working very, very, very well. Wow, it's actually on there. So it's actually on there. It really is on there. So I'm gonna let them cool down. I'm gonna peel this and I'm gonna press it again because I always press my stuff twice. So I'm gonna give it the same press I'd do any one of my other presses, and I want to see how well that holds up. Because if this holds up pretty well, then man, if you have a 3D printer, you can print little stuff like this and just go crazy with it. Again, if it works, I'm curious to see what after I put it in the wash like 2 or 3 times, if it even stays on there, because that's the real test. So if you don't know, this is PLA, this is plastic, this is TPU, this is also plastic. Not the ink, but the backing behind the ink, the stuff that the powder you put on here is also plastic. So if this can hold on, this may actually hold on too. So I'll be curious to see, because this whole thing has just straight up curiosity. All right, will this work? Actually, it did work, but nope. See, it didn't work. Look at that. Started to come up already. All right, so I might have to turn up the temperature. I don't know. When I do it again, I will find out. All right, so let me peel this off. All right, now we're gonna try it again. I put my cover on it. Let me move it down, see if I can move it back a little bit. So I get more underneath the pressure of the heat press. That's not gonna work. Huh. Try to level it out as best as I can. Alrighty. There we go. I'm trying to get this one pressed down more because as you can see, it's coming up already, right? It's literally coming up in all kind of spots. Alright, see? I'm literally putting my nail on this one coming up. That part's coming up. So I'm gonna see if it, you know, see if it holds down. I'm gonna try it again. Alright, so let me put this back on here. And this time, I'm gonna turn up my turn up the time a little bit. 25. So I turn it up to 25 seconds now. So see, so just to give this a little more, and it's really just this one. I want to see if I can if I give it a little bit more time. This I might burn this one, but again, it's just a test. Look, see, this is on already. I don't have to do anything else to this. All right, but this one, I think I'm gonna have to turn up the heat just a little bit hotter, see if I can melt this just a little bit more. All right, not really the heat, but just the time. See if I can get the time to get this to melt a little bit more. All right, let me press it on again. So, let this do its thing. And I've been, like I said, I've been using this thing now for a minute, and I'm telling you, it is holding up well. I put this on here because I don't like how this thing pops. Because of the pressure that's between when this thing gets hold down. There's a decent amount of pressure in here. This is just something I did. Well, oh, the timer timer seemed like it give it time to melt, but see, it's still not holding on. So I might have to turn up the heat on this thing. Some parts are holding and some parts isn't. So I might have to turn up the heat. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. I'm gonna torch the crap out of this. I'm gonna torch the crap out of this one. But as you can see, this is on perfectly. This bad boy ain't coming off. But this is not staying. So I'm gonna turn up the heat some, and I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to melt. Which I might actually damage this one, but I don't care. I'm gonna see if I can melt this on here. So add some more heat and see what happens. So let me turn up the heat. And then I gotta wait for it to heat up. So it's gonna heat up. Once it heats up, then I can try it again with some more heat. But this thing's not staying on. I mean, I could be able to pull this entire thing off. Yeah, see, it just comes right off. So I don't know what people have been showing on YouTube or these videos. See, it just come peeling right off. Now this is not just flat PLA. This is not TPU. This is just straight up. This is silk PLA, so that might actually make a difference. I'll try again with different. One of these days, I'll try again with different filament, different type of filament. See, that makes a difference. But so far, this is not staying. This is coming up. So I'm gonna melt it. Again have to wait for the temperature to get high. See, it's still going up. And then I'm gonna try press it again. I don't think this is gonna work, but hey, what do I know, right? I can be completely wrong. So with that, let's let that thing heat up, and then I'll try it again. Okay, all right. So it finally heated up. Finally got to the temperature. So now I'm gonna put this back on here, and I'm gonna try to see if this will melt again. I'm probably gonna, like I said, I'm probably gonna torch this one, but never hurts to try a bunch of stuff. Let's do it. Oh, like I was saying, I don't like this pop. Watch. it just jumps and it picks up everything under here. So I put the weight on, this weight on, right there, that weight, and it actually helped with the just popping off. And it actually got worse. It actually got worse. So I'll try again eventually with a different type of PLA or TPU or whatever to see if it'll stick on here. But yeah, I don't know what people have been showing you on YouTube, but it's coming off. It's peeling right off. See, just come right off. So I'll try again with a different PLA or a different filament and see if it holds on. But this bad boy held on tight. It didn't got tortured at all. It's still on there. Nice. I like that. It's hot too, boy. Alright. That was me trying out this crazy experiment. Hope you enjoyed it.
Step up your A game, step up your A game.